You can find this printable sewing pattern in the description. I suggest using light fabric like tulle, chiffon, organza, or satin. Cut your size. Glue the pattern with a sticky tape. Add seam allowance. I suggest +1 centimeter. First, cut the longest bottom part. Cut 10 parts. Then cut out the edges of the pattern to make another skirt layer. Cut the pattern again to make it smaller. Cut 10 parts. I added extra layer of fabric for this part. Ruffle the top of this part. Repeat the process. Connect all layers of the skirt into one big part. Make 10 parts. Sew all side seams, but leave one edge open for the zipper. You will find the waist part in the pattern. I decide to use elastic matching string as a waist. If you look for more tips on how to sew the waist part, check out my other tutorials. Pin the elastic string evenly. Do not hand stitch it. Measure it to your figure before sewing. Stretch the elastic while sewing. Overlock the top sides of the skirt where you will sew the zipper. Sew the seam under the zipper. Use 30 centimeters, secret zipper. Finish sewing the zipper by hand. Have a nice skirt.